What if 30 days could rewrite your life? But only if you fought every single day to become who you're meant to be. Arav sat in his cubicle, staring at the flickering computer screen. At 29, he felt invisible. His job as a data entry clerk in a small logistics firm paid the bills, but it drained his soul. Every day blurred into the next. Wake up, work, scroll through social media, sleep. He wasn't unhappy exactly. He was just nothing. His dreams of starting his own graphic design business felt like childish fantasies, buried under years of, "I'll do it later." His confidence was a ghost, his potential locked in a cage he didn't know how to open. One night, Arav stumbled across a YouTube video titled, "The 30-Day Challenge, Transform Your Life." The creator's words hit him like a punch. You're not stuck because you lack talent. You're stuck because you're not acting. Pick one thing, do it every day for 30 days and watch who you become. Arav paused the video, his heart racing. Could it be that simple? He doubted it, but something inside him stirred, a tiny spark of defiance against his numb routine. He grabbed a notebook and wrote, "For 30 days, I will wake up at 5 a.m., spend 2 hours on graphic design, and post one piece of work online every day." It sounded ridiculous. He wasn't a morning person. He hadn't touched his design software in years. Posting online, people would laugh, but he was tired of being invisible. He wanted to feel alive. Day one was brutal. The alarm screamed at 5 a.m., and Arav slapped it off, groaning. This is stupid. But he dragged himself out of bed, brewed cheap coffee, and opened his laptop. His first design was clunky, amateurish. He posted it on Instagram anyway, hands shaking. No likes, no comments. He felt exposed, like a fool chasing a pipe dream. Day 3, he wanted to quit. His boss had yelled at him for a typo at work, and exhaustion clung to him like damp clothes. He stared at his blank screen, whispering, "Who am I kidding? I'm not good enough." But then he remembered the YouTube video. The first step is always the hardest. He forced himself to create something, anything. It wasn't great, but it was done. He posted it, one like, from a stranger. It felt like a lifeline. By day 7, Arav noticed a shift. Waking up early wasn't easy, but it was less painful. His designs were still rough, but he was learning. He started watching tutorials, sketching ideas during lunch breaks. He ignored the voice in his head that said, "You're too old to start." That voice was loud, but his actions were louder. Day 12 brought a breakdown. Arav's phone buzzed with a message from a friend. "Why are you posting this stuff? It's not even that good." The words stabbed him. He deleted the app, ready to give up. He lay in bed, tears burning his eyes. Why am I doing this? But in the dark, he remembered why. He was tired of being nothing. He reinstalled the app, posted his next design, and wrote, "I'm learning. I'm trying. That's enough for now." 2 likes, a comment. "Keep going." His chest tightened with hope. Day 20 was a turning point. Arav's designs were sharper, bolder. He'd built a small following, 20 people, but they mattered. A local cafe owner messaged him, asking for a logo. It wasn't a big job, but it was real. Arav worked late, pouring his heart into it. When the owner loved it, Arav cried, not from sadness, but from pride. For the first time, he saw himself as a designer, not a clerk. The final stretch was grueling. Day 25, Arav hit a wall. His body ached from sleepless nights. Doubt crept back. One logo doesn't mean anything. You'll never make this a career. He almost skipped posting, but he thought of day 1 Arav, the man who felt invisible. He wasn't that man anymore. He posted, captioned, "I'm not perfect, but I'm not giving up." The likes didn't matter. He was fighting for himself. On day 30, Arav sat at his desk, scrolling through his Instagram. 30 posts, 30 mornings of choosing himself over excuses. His designs weren't world-class, but they were his. He had 150 followers now, a second client inquiry, and a portfolio he was proud of. But the real change was inside. He walked taller. He spoke with quiet confidence. He believed in his potential, not as a dream but as a truth. Eirav wasn't a success story yet. He still worked his 9 to 5, but he wasn't stuck anymore. He'd unlocked something, a fire that wouldn't die. He kept designing, kept posting, kept growing. 6 months later, he quit his job to freelance full-time. It wasn't easy, but he knew he could handle hard things. He'd proven it. You don't need to be great to start, but if you start and keep going, you'll become more than you ever imagined. Your potential isn't a destination, it's a choice you make every day.